we're going to be seeing how fast the Mustang can actually go. Well, to 60 at least. Traction's gonna suck, but we will try our best and we'll see what kind of results we get. So we're gonna go ahead and get to my little spot and start making some runs. So if I have any chance of getting this car to hook up, I'm gonna have to get a little heat in the tires. Alright, so now that I got some heat in the tires and got everything warmed up, I think it's a good time to go ahead and try this. So I got the drag gear reset. Just going to set that there like that. We're going to see what we can do. Oh, 6.7 seconds. We're gonna try that again. All right, lots of spin. It went slower. It went slow. It's 6.9. Oh my gosh. There ain't no way, man. That's funny.